Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat not letting you make a new account problem. If you're facing that, please watch this video till the end to solve it. And if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing to us for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. Now let's get started with the video. So first, what you'll do is, let's say you open the Snapchat app, and usually the process of making an account is you enter your first name, and then you enter your birthday, and then you add your username, and you add your email address. You could change your username, you set a password and all that. But sometimes at the end, when you're trying to create an account, Snapchat will not let you make a new account. So when that happens, what you can do is, first and foremost, you'll check if your Wi-Fi or your connection to internet connection is stable and very strong. So when that happens, when your internet is not as the Snapchat making a new account feature will not work sometimes. So when that happens, what you can do is you go and load up another website like TikTok and check if it works out for you. So if another app is working out, you know it's not a connection problem, that there's some other problem. The other reason why this might happen is if the server of Snapchat is down. If the Snapchat server is down, sometimes this problem might occur. And how you can check that is if you go and search on YouTube this problem and you click on some videos, there are comments, new comments, where they say that this is happening right now. Even if you go to Twitter or you just Google it, if the Snapchat server is down, you can find it. You can even find these comments on Reddit. So that's how you know that the server is down. You just can't wait till the Snapchat server is back up for you to create a new account. The third problem, why this might occur and how you can solve it, is if you go to Play Store, here you will search for the Snapchat app or the App Store, and if you have an update coming up, you'll update the app. So sometimes with the older outdated version, there are bugs which will create such problems. And if this does not work out for you, all this process does not work out for you, what you can do is try using a different email address or phone number to sign up. Because if you've been banned by Snapchat before and using the same account, your same email address or same phone number, Snapchat might not let you create a new account under the same email address or phone number. So try using a different email and a phone number, and then this problem might be solved for you. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how you solve the Snapchat not letting you make an account problem. If you have any more questions, please leave them down below. But that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.